Hello guys, today we will see 5 ways Windows repair command of Windows 11 and 10. And if you found any error in your system Windows 11 and 10, these 5 commands will help to resolve your various type of errors of your system. To apply this, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator. In command prompt Windows, the first 3 command is DISM tool, DISM online cleanup image scanhealth, DISM online cleanup image checkhealth, and DISM online cleanup image restorehealth. Apply these all 3 commands one by one to repair your system, to check your system for any corrupted files, and first copy it and paste a scanhealth, press enter and let the window complete the process. Deployment image servicing and management tool, let the the operation completed successful. Thereafter execute check health command and press enter. Windows will execute this. The operation completed successful. Now execute these third tools, DISM online cleanup image restore health. Paste it, press enter and let the window complete the process. Wait, it will take some times. Wait till end of the process. It will take approx 4 to 5 minutes. The next command is sfc scannow to check any corrupted files in your system. Corrupted files may be cause of various types of error on your system. So execute sfc/scannow and press enter and let the verification completed till 100%. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Next command is CHKDSK. This command will scan your hard drive. F means file system error correction and R means sector error connection. So simply CHKDSK command, execute this command, copy this and paste it in command prompt Windows and press enter to scan your file system error in your Windows 11 and 10 system. That's all.